What lies beneath Sri Lanka's rocky coast? Hidden minerals and nature explained. Look closely at this coastline. At first, these massive rocks, crystal clear water and crashing waves may seem like nothing more than a beautiful part of Sri Lanka's natural landscape. But coastal environments are also part of a much larger geological story. Every wave, every stream of water, and every weathered rock is connected to the natural movement and concentration of minerals. Along Sri Lanka's coastline, the ocean is constantly reshaping the land. Waves break against the rocks, water moves through cracks and natural channels, and weathering slowly breaks down exposed surfaces. Over thousands and millions of years, these processes can transport and redistribute mineral particles from rocks and sediments. When rocks weather, they do not all break down in the same way. Some minerals are relatively light and are transported more easily. Others are denser and more resistant to weathering. These heavy mineral grains can survive transportation and become concentrated in particular sedimentary environments, especially where natural water and wave action repeatedly sort the material. Watch how the water moves through these rocks. This simple movement represents one of nature's most powerful geological processes. Water can carry fine particles away, while heavier grains may remain behind or become trapped between rock surfaces and sediment. This natural sorting process is one reason coastal and river environments are important when studying mineral deposits. Sri Lanka has a remarkable geological history. Bearing rocks from inland regions can be weathered and broken down over geological time. Rivers and streams transport sediments toward the lowlands and eventually toward the coast. At the shoreline, waves, currents, tides, and wind continue to redistribute these materials. It is a continuous journey, from rock to river to sea. This natural geological journey is closely connected with heavy mineral sands. Important heavy minerals can include ilmenite, rutile, zircon, garnet, magnetite, monazite, and other resistant mineral grains. Their presence, concentration, and economic importance depend on geology, sediment transport, natural sorting, and the characteristics of each deposit. But remember, beautiful black or dark colored material on a beach or between rocks does not automatically mean an economically valuable mineral deposit. Scientific investigation is essential. Mineral identification requires proper sampling, laboratory analysis, mineralogical examination, and assessment of the quantity and quality of the deposit. Nature gives us the clues. Science gives us the answers. Understanding these natural processes is important not only for mineral exploration, but also for understanding coastal geology and environmental change. When we study how minerals move through landscapes, we begin to see the connection between Sri Lanka's mountains, rivers, rocks, beaches, and the ocean as one geological system. So the next time you stand beside a rocky coastline like this, look beyond the waves, look at the rocks, look at the water, look at the sediments. Because beneath this beautiful landscape is a geological story that has been developing for millions of years. If you enjoy learning about Sri Lanka's minerals, geology, and natural resources, subscribe to Ceylon Minerals and join us as we explore the hidden mineral story of Sri Lanka. Ceylon Minerals, from nature to knowledge.